Hello students, in this video we will discuss our exercise 13.2 and before discussing this exercise first we have to know about some law of exponent. Our first law is for a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n. When base are equal but power are different, in this case we add the powers and our answer become a raised to the power m plus n. Our second law is for a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. When base are equal, power are different and both the numbers are in division, then we can write here a raised to the power m minus n. Our third law is a raised to the power m whole power n, power of power. When a raised to the power m has whole power n, in this case we multiply the powers and our answer become a raised to the power m multiplied by n. Our next law is a raised to the power m multiplied by b raised to the power m. In this case we have different bases with same power, so we can write here a multiplied by b whole power m. Our next law is a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power n. In this case we can write a divided by b whole power m. Our next part is a raised to the power 0 and its value is 1. Now we are going to start our exercise 13.2. First question is, using laws of exponent, simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. And our first question is 3 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power 8. Here we can see that all the base in this question are same but power are different. So by using first law we can add their power and our answer become 3 raised to the power 4, 2 plus 4 plus 8 and our answer is 3 raised to the power 14. Our second question is 6 raised to the power 15 minus 6 raised to the power 10. When base are same, power are different and both the numbers are in division, then power gets subtracted. So our answer become 6 raised to the power 5. Our next question is a raised to the power 3 multiplied by a raised to the power 2. Here our base are similar but power are different. So we can add both the powers and our answer become a raised to the power 5. In this manner you can solve remaining part of this question. Our next question is simplify and express each of the following in the exponential form. And first question is 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 32. So our question is 2 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 32. So first we can write 4 and 32 as 2 raised to the power 2 and 2 raised to the power 5. Now you can see here that both the number 2 raised to the power 3 and 2 raised to the power 2 have same base and different powers, but both the numbers are in multiplication, so their power get added. So we can write in the numerator 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 4, and in the denominator we have 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 5. Now our numerator become 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 5. Here 2 raised to the power 5 and 2 raised to the power 5 get cancelled out and our answer is 3 raised to the power 4 minus 3 and it is 3 raised to the power 3. Our second question is 5 raised to the power 2 whole power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 7. So first we solve the term inside the bracket and our answer become 5 raised to the power 6 by using power of power formula. Multiply by 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Inside the bracket both the term have similar base but different powers. So our number become 5 raised to the power 6 plus 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Now we have 5 raised to the power 10 divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Base are similar, power are different, and both the numbers are in division. So we can write here 5 raised to the power 10 minus 7 and answer is 5 raised to the power 3. In the same manner you can solve remaining parts of this question. Next question is state true or false and justify your answer. And first question is 10 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 11 is equal to 100 raised to the power 11. So here you can see that 10 means 10 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 11. It means base are equal but power are different. So we have to add this power. So our answer is 10 raised to the power 11, but here in the right side it can be written here that 100 raised to the power 11, so it is the incorrect answer. Now our second question is 2 raised to the power 3 is greater than 5 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, it means 8, and 5 raised to the power 2 means 5 multiplied by 5, it means 25, and we all know that 25 is greater than 5, so this statement is again incorrect. In this manner you can solve its remaining parts. And our next question is express each of the following as the product of prime factor only in the exponential form. I can solve this question as I did in exercise 1. Our next question is question number 5, simplify. So again you can solve this question as I did in question number 2. Move to our next exercise, exercise 13.3. First question is write the following number in the expanded form. So in this question first we will simply expand our number and then we can write this number using the exponential notation. In the same manner you can solve its remaining parts. In the second question we have to write our number in the short form. So first we write our number in the expanded form and then we have to add all the numbers, so we get our short form. In the third question we have to write our number in the standard form. So first part of the question is 5 crore is equal to 5 multiplied by 1 crore, and we can write 1 crore as 10 raised to the power 7. In the same manner we can write 70 lakh as 7 multiplied by 10 lakh, and it becomes 7 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6. And you can solve remaining part of the question in the same manner. Question number 4 is similar to the question number 3.